Okay! Guys, tingin dito! Okay, today is December 31, year 2024! It's the last year of the year! Last day of the year! Yeah, kompleto! So, Patrick, Ludwig, Cecil. Kompleto! Okay? Yeah, si Patrick, kaka-set up lang niya. Marunong nang mag-set up si Patrick. Ito yung bagong setup niya. Ano, lumipad na?
Lilipad pa lang. Tapos na.
Ako naman ako just finished flying my MD500 and now I'm going to fly this my Piper Cub. Okay? And I will let Sao take a video. Yan. Okay, let's fly. This is my favorite plane. I think a few weeks ago I fly my Pitch Saymaker Horizon Hobby. Ganda. There's no, walang hangin. Walang araw. Wow. Kuha mo, Sao?
Yes. Kuha naman.
I think I can fly this for about 5 minutes. Wow! Wow! Okay. I'm going to fly it low and slow. Maganda ngayon, there's no sun. It's very cloudy today. Wait! Ay, nako. Wait! Wait! I used to have a rubber power plane. The first plane I ever assembled is a rubber power. It's a Piper Cub. Yeah, I need to practice fly very low and slow. Yeah. Napalaw ko ng kamay ko eh. Kailangan lagi may power pala. Hindi ka pwede basta-basta mag-shop. Wow! Again. Teka. So dito pala dapat
5 minutes na.
5 minutes na? Ay, video natin. Anyway, I will try to land it because the video is already take more than 5 minutes para hindi masyado mahaba. I'll try to land it. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.